Well, hello there. You saw in the beginning of the video it said, sit back and enjoy. And it also told you to follow me on Instagram at It's Just Orlando Morales. And it also told you to like and subscribe. Yo, what's goody everybody? Welcome back to Orlando Morales TV. As always, as usual, I'm your host, the cute yet ugly Orlando Morales. I like to use cute and ugly together because I like to consider myself a nice, balanced person. Example, I'm on a diet, right? I eat salad for lunch and dinner or whatever. But then my late night snack would be like a piece of cake. You know what I mean? 50-50. Today, this is something new that I'm trying. You know, I never really showcase my style or like my outfits and stuff like that. I don't really focus too much into it. I just wear what I like and whatever I feel comfortable. I think that's the main important part here, is for you to wear what you want and to feel comfortable, you know? This is a way of expressing ourselves, like the way we like put clothing together and whatnot. I'm typically like, I like to call myself a universal fit. Basically what that means is that no matter what style, no matter what outfit, no matter what look I'm trying to pull, like I look good in it. You know, I could look good as a nerd, like nerdy style. I could look good as like, you know, bummy style, like relax, chill at home. I could do rocker, I could do skater. You know, I'm all over the place. You know, I look good in everything, you know. That's a little pat on my back, you know what I'm saying? But today I'm gonna show you guys my collection of rock t-shirts. Gonna show them off to you guys, and I'm also gonna explain how they feel, you know, the material, where you could buy them. They weren't really expensive, very affordable. There's a lot of cool places that you can go, affordable places, and you can buy these tees, you know, and look comfortable, look stylish at the same time. Now I want to make a disclaimer here, okay? Listen, these shirts, like the bands that are printed, the rock bands that are printed on this shirt, I actually listen to these bands, okay? I'm a fan. I'm not a poser here, you know? Now, if you are one of those people that, you know, buy it because it looks cool, like the logo of a band, like for example, like the Nirvana happy face look, you know, if you into that, that's fine, wear it. But you know, at the same time, do a little research, you know what you're rocking, know what you're repping. You know, these people, these bands, and the people that created the bands, you know, they made history in a way, you know, some of the bands like the Beatles and stuff like that. So yeah, I listen to these people, I fuck with them, I'm a fan. I got a whole rock playlist on my phone. I be jamming all the time. You know, I play little drums myself, all right? Very little bit. I don't like to talk too much about it because you're gonna expect me to play, and I haven't played in years. But I still got the rhythm. So without further ado, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Join the network, Orlando Morales TV. It's good for you. We're on the road to 200 subscribers, so let's get us there. Also, like the video and turn on your post notifications. Also, comment down below what's your favorite rock band, and let me know if you guys have one of these tees that I'm about to show. All right, cool. Let's get it. Let's go. So without further ado, here are my rock t-shirt collection. Let's go. Alright, let's get into this motherfucker. Alright, we're gonna be doing like a little reaction video to this, okay? Okay. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, real quick. I know I'm wearing different clothes, different shirt, and I got a haircut. I did film this already, but I didn't like the way it came out, so I'm gonna redo it. Alright? So let's get into it. Alright, so right here, this is my Nirvana t-shirt. Got it at Hot Topic. It is a tight fit, just a little bit. That's about it. You know, I did roll it up one time right there, as you can see. Since it's already a tight fit, I don't have to roll it up again. You know, there I am with my Bass Pro Shop hat. Only $3.99. Super cheap, super stylish. You know, got my jeans on. And then the next shirt here, this is AC/DC Back in Black t-shirt. I did roll this one up twice. It just fits comfortable. It's a loose fit. I think it's a large, but I just like the way, you know, falls on the body is pretty good. I got this shirt at Walmart, super cheap. Walmart about like $8. So yo, head into your local Walmart, man. You'll find some drip if you really look into it. Yep, Back in Black. Next shirt here looks like this is my Led Zeppelin t-shirt right here. This shirt, I got it at Target for $9 too, $12. regardless, super affordable, man. I rolled this one up twice. It is a bigger, it fits kind of bigger on the chest, you know, it falls down, but it's cool. You know, I like the way it looks on me. You know, that's what we're preaching out here, you know, comfortability. You gotta feel comfortable and confident in what you wear. Got my Led Zeppelin tee, man. Shout out to Led Zeppelin, bro. What's y'all favorite Led Zeppelin song if you listen to them? Next shirt, there I am dancing, you know. I'm just showing you, man, I feel good in this shirt, you know. Clothing makes you feel good. This is a Pink Floyd t-shirt here. This one is a tighter fit. It fits a little tighter than the Nirvana one, I would say. I like to normally wear this shirt with some shorts, but we're rocking with the jeans. Got this at Hot Topic too. We have a Motley Crue t-shirt right here. This one's cool, one fold, as you can see, because, you know, it just looks good, you know, and it feels amazing. Like, the material on this is great. I got this shirt at Forever 21. Probably paid like $12 to $14 for it. But yeah, man, I'm styling. Look at me. Ooh. Let's talk about this shirt real quick. This is the Black Crowes. This is the Black Crowes t-shirt. This t-shirt right here is super dope. I really love this shirt because it kind of has a little bit of a meaning, you know. This shirt was actually my dad's. He gave it to me, you know. Shout out to you, Pops. I'm rocking that tee, proud. You know what I'm saying? It has a like a faded black wash look, which I really love, and that's throughout time it's gotten like that. It's a very vintage t-shirt. It does have like a bleach stain in the back. Very little, not that noticeable. This is like a subtle, but it brings character to the shirt. It adds to it. It has a hole to it too. It's just a super lit shirt, and it's oversized too. It fits perfect. You see, like, it has a little holder, but it just looks cool. Like, it goes with the style of it. Yeah, the Black Crowes present Shake Your Money Maker World Tour. There's a little bleach stain right there. I can't tell you how much this shirt is. This shirt is priceless. See how it fits? It's like kind of like oversized, baggy, feels good. I feel great in it. I love it. It's just a dope ass shirt. Yep, shout out to you, bro. And then here we got the Rolling Stones. This one is an oversized. I got this at Old Navy for, how much was this shirt? Like 12 bucks. I still have the tag, if you can see, like, my collarbone. A lot of my new shirts, I still have the tag on them. But yeah, this is the Rolling Stones oversized tee. This is an extra large. The material it feels very light, like almost see-through in a way. Like, I know if you get this shirt wet, you'll see right through it, but it's super soft and comfortable, you know. It feels good on the skin. I did roll this one up twice. Usually for oversized tees, I either don't roll it up or I roll it up twice, depending on the style of it. This one, I decided to roll it up twice because, you know, why not? It brings a little character to the style. But this shirt is super cool, man. Look at me busting down. Hey, there you go, boy. Show him. And then right here, we got the Red Hot Chili Peppers. This shirt is also tight. This is a tighter fit. You see here, I didn't fold it up at all because it's like already kind of short to my shoulder, to my tricep. But this one I normally wear with shorts as well. This is another shirt I got at Hot Topic. I gotta say, man, if you're really looking for like cool classic rock t-shirts, you gotta hit Hot Topic up. You know, if you're not afraid to spend the amount of money for them, because they could be a little pricey, or sometimes they have like a bundle deal. Like, for when it comes to the Pink Floyd, Nirvana, Chili Pepper, I forget which other one, somewhere in that bunch, but I got those at Hot Topic for a bundle deal, like a buy one get one. But they got a lot of cool shirts there. But yeah, I love the tie-dye on the logo. It's really cool. And then this shirt right here, man, this is AC/DC Ball Breaker. I don't even know what to call this. Would this be tie-dye? I wouldn't consider this tie-dye. There, I'm busting it down, boy. Yo, your boy can dance, all right? I'm not the best dancer, but I can get down when it's time to get down, if you know what I mean. So this shirt is actually one of my favorite tees. It is oversized. You see how it just flows? It's like flowy, nice. I don't have to roll up the sleeves at all or cuff them up. It's perfect just like that. The pink, and it's like a acid. Am I saying that right? not ass, like cheeks, but acid, like an acid wash type look, I guess. I don't know. But color's great. That blue pops perfect with the pink. Everything's just fantastic. It's beautiful, stylish. One of my favorite tees. I got that at Forever 21. Don't remember the prices. It is pretty old. We got another Rolling Stone t-shirt right here. This one I copped at Target. I remember this. I got this shirt at Target. The cool thing about this shirt is how the red on the tongue just, it's so vibrant, like it pops out. And that's what I really like about that shirt. There I am, man. You know me, I be getting down, son. So you can see, if you see my mouth, I'm like saying things. So instead of just trying on shirts in a quiet room and just posing, I decided to put on music, and that's why I'm just bopping to the jams I'm listening to. You know. Look, yeah, that's right. That's right. This has like a splattered paint look to it. And then I think this is the last one. This is a Pink Floyd shirt. This is a latest cop of mine. Got this not too long ago, but I got this at Walmart. See, I got the tag still on. I got this shirt at Walmart for what, $8? Like $8, $8, $9. Super affordable, man. Not only that, it's stylish and it's comfortable too. Like the lettering on the shirt, it doesn't stick to your chest. I don't know if you guys have ever gotten a shirt that has like a graphic logo on it, and then you feel like the material on the inside like stick to your chest whenever you get sweaty. It's the worst feeling. It's annoying. This one does not have it. You know, it's very smooth and soft on the inside, which works perfect. This is an oversized. I think this is like extra large, but I just like the way it fits. You see how the sleeves are kind of like baggy? I don't have to roll that up, man. You could if you want to. I personally don't do it. I think it looks perfect. I think this whole fit right here looks amazing. You know? Hey, there, yeah, kill him, killer. Alrighty, guys, that's the end of the video right there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, you could go to so many places like Target, Walmart, Forever 21, Route 21, Hot Topic, all these places you can go to find some classic rock t-shirts that look good. Also, I would recommend thrift shopping too. Also, you could go on Poshmark and shit like that, and you find dope clothing, pieces of clothing. You know, what matters is you feel comfortable, you feel confident, and you feel you. You know, the best way to express yourself is by clothing, in a way. You know, it's one way that we as people express ourselves, and you shouldn't care what other people think of what you wear. If you like to match clothes, if you like mixed match clothes, doesn't matter, man. What matters is how you feel, and that's it, man. So love yourself, love your clothes, and forget everyone else. Thank you, everyone. I love y'all. I'm gonna keep doing more of these videos because, like I said, I got a whole lot of drip in my closet. I'm gonna take you guys, you know, inside and just see what type of drip I'm dealing with. You know, plug the places where you could go and buy these affordable ass clothes, and yeah, we're gonna have more fun with these videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the network, turn on your post notifications, hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hey, you right there, you're beautiful, okay? Hey, you, I'm talking to you right there. No, don't mind him. You're beautiful. Deuces.
Oh yes, Daddy.